Hello, my friends. Today, we will read my diary and answer some questions together. Sometimes the week feels so long, and I just need a little plan to make my days off more special. So, I made a little list of things I love to do, and maybe it will give you some ideas too. First, I really enjoy going for a walk in the park. It's simple, but the fresh air and the green trees make me feel so peaceful. I like to listen to music while I walk, and sometimes I even stop to take photos of flowers. It's a good way to clear my mind after a busy week. Another activity I love is baking. On Saturday afternoons, I usually make cookies or a cake. The smell in the kitchen is amazing, and it makes me feel happy to share the food with my friends. I also like trying new recipes. Even if they don't turn out perfect, it's still fun and tasty. When it's very hot outside, one of my favorite things is eating ice cream. I don't care if it's chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. I just love how refreshing it feels. Sometimes I go out with a friend to an ice cream shop, and we talk for hours while enjoying our favorite flavors. I also enjoy riding my bike. It's not only good exercise, but also a nice way to explore new places around my city. I like the feeling of freedom when the wind touches my face. It makes me feel like a little kid again. Finally, I sometimes invite a friend over to watch a movie. We choose something light and funny, make popcorn, and just laugh together. It's one of my favorite ways to relax because time with friends always makes me feel better. So, what did I learn from all this? Weekends are not only for resting, but also for enjoying small things that bring joy. My advice is don't wait for something big to feel happy. Sometimes the simple moments are the most special. That's all for today. See you next time, dear diary. Now it's quiz time. Let's test your knowledge about the story. Question 1. Why does Sarah like walking in the park after a busy week? A. Because it helps her relax and feel calm. B. Because she wants to run very fast. Answer: A. Because it helps her relax and feel calm. Question 2. What does baking on Saturday afternoons represent for Sarah? A. A responsibility she must do every weekend. B. A moment of joy and creativity she likes to share. Answer: B. A moment of joy and creativity she likes to share. Question 3. When Sarah goes to the ice cream shop with a friend, what does she value the most? A. The price of the ice cream. B. The time spent talking and enjoying the moment. Answer: B. The time spent talking and enjoying the moment. Question 4. What can we infer about Sarah's personality from her weekend activities? A. She prefers simple pleasures and meaningful moments. B. She is always looking for expensive or exciting plans. Answer: A. She prefers simple pleasures and meaningful moments. Question 5. Why does riding her bike make her feel like a little kid again? A. Because it reminds her of school days. B. Because it gives her a sense of freedom and joy. Answer: B. Because it gives her a sense of freedom and joy. Question 6. What message does Sarah want to leave at the end of her diary entry? A. Happiness depends on big events and special occasions. B. Small, everyday moments can bring real happiness. Answer: B. Small, everyday moments can bring real happiness. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time, my friends. Bye!